Hi there everyone, in this video of FreeCAD series, I'm going to talk about this familiar cube that you can see on the top. The cube really helps you to navigate easily without pressing any shortcut key or really looking here in toolbar where will be my navigation option. And in this video, we're going to further elevate the productivity of this cube by installing a dedicated add-on named as Cube Menu. For that, what we can do here is we can go to tools and look for add-on manager. Now let's click OK. Now here the thing that we need to look for, as I said, is Cube Menu. So let's search here Cube Menu, and there we go. Simply click on it and then click on install. Okay, and now it says that installing add-on and Cube Menu was successfully installed. So now I'm gonna close this and let's restart our FreeCAD to see the change. So right now, if I press this Cube Menu, I am seeing total 7 options. Okay, let's see what happened after restart. Okay, so we just restarted FreeCAD. Now I'm gonna open same model, and now let's click here on this cube, and there we go. So instead of just 7 options here, what I see is even more number of options available. So specifically, in previous case, we used to only have isometric view, orthographic view, and perspective view. Now, additional to diametric and trimetric view, here we can also see select all, box selection, toggle axis cross, and so many things now being added. So that's how, guys, we can improve the functionality of this cube tool by adding a simple plugin known as Cube Menu. Hope that you find this video helpful, informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete FreeCAD series. And I will see you soon in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.